To begin with, stay calm and cool in the examination hall. Just as a heated engine is less efficient, an anxious mind can hinder performance. During the first 15 minutes of reading time, you will encounter both familiar and unfamiliar questions. With proper understanding, you will be able to solve them. So read the questions heedfully. If a question appears difficult, remember that it is challenging not just for you, but for all the students across the country, including those aiming for full marks. So be confident. When you start writing, ensure that you follow the numbering as given in the question paper. For multiple choice questions, write both the chosen option and the corresponding answer. Maintain the order of questions as they appear. Even if you plan to skip a question, just write the question number and leave a line empty. When answering fill in the blank questions, it is good to write the entire sentence, not just the missing word or phrase. Underline the word you fill in the blank with. Generally, each mark corresponds to one key point. Be concise and use proper scientific terminology. Writing excessively will not earn extra marks. In fact, contradictory statements may result in losing marks.
Use only standard abbreviations and symbols.
You need to answer 4 questions in section B. Use the initial 15-minute reading time to decide which questions to attempt. For diagram-related questions, you do not need to redraw diagrams unless explicitly instructed. However, sometimes drawing diagrams may help you to comprehend the question better. When drawing ray diagrams, use a ruler and pencil. Many students lose mark by forgetting to add arrowheads on rays. Remember, a ray is not just a line segment, it must indicate direction. Formula used may be justified by the law or principle. Marks are awarded for correct substitution and the final answer, not for writing the formula alone. Make sure your substitution is clear and avoid cutting or crossing it out for the sake of calculation, as this may make it difficult to read. An examiner awards you marks only if he can read your answer. When solving numerical problems, ensure all quantities are in the same system of units. But you may come across a mix of units in calorimetry. Always express numerical answers in decimal form. Fractions are not accepted. Round off your answers to 1 or 2 decimal places, depending on the context. Also, always include the correct unit with proper notation. I hope you finish the exam ahead of time and use the remaining time to review your answers. Finally, stay confident and relaxed. Believe in yourself. Success is within your reach. All the best.